Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dig into the Blendbunny Cosmetics Lure palette and the Blendbunny Cosmetics Trove palette, and we are going to create a beautiful eye look. So if this interests you, just keep on watching. So guys, how are you doing? I'm doing okay. It is a Saturday, or no, it's a Sunday, and I'm tired of laying on the couch, so I decided to try to come back here and create a look. We are going to go in with the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base and put this on our lids, and I'm going in with the color Fair. I hope everybody's been doing good. Okay, now that we got our eye base on, we're going to do a look. I haven't got nothing else on my face, guys. I ain't finished my face. I'm going to use the Blendbunny Cosmetics brushes today. So I am going to start out with B1. And I'm going to dig into Storm Ahead. This is such a beautiful purple, a cool tone purple. I'm just going to work throughout the palette. I'm not going to work like in just one row. And I'm putting that in my, down as my transition. Now I'm going to take the B5 brush, the bigger one, and we're just going to pat this through. Okay, now we are going to go in with the B4, and I'm going to go into Seductress. We're just going to do a little bit of color and build it up, because we are going to use that Trove palette. Put that in the outer corner. These colors from Blendbunny Cosmetics, all of the palettes, they just blend like a dream. And I'm going to pull that back just a little bit. And pull it forward, like go just one dip into Tentacles. And we're just gonna blend. I'm gonna take whatever's left on this brush and just one more dip. Trying to keep the majority of the color right here in the outer corner. Now I'm going to take the B5. I had too much of that light color in it. Okay, so that's what I wanted on the outer corner. now. We're going into this color. I think. Yeah. No, we're going to go into this color. So it would be that one. I'm going to go into this one. I'm going to take just a little bit, not a lot, right here. And we're going to mix those. Now, I'm going to take just a teeny pinch of Booty and Seductress. These two, Booty and Seductress. And we're going to just bring that right here. In the crease to help that multi-chrome blend in seamlessly. That is so freaking pretty. I haven't done concealer or anything yet. I think that's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go over and catch up the other eye. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. I do have on the Gerard Cosmetics Realness Lashes, the magnetic lashes. On the bottom lash line, I went in with Tentacles with a line definer brush. And I'm going to finish my lashes. And I'm going in with their Real Magnet Mascara by Benefit. And we are going to spray the face. And my lip is the Gerard Cosmetics Soho Metal Matte Lipstick with Ecstasy lip liner, and then I went in with the Merit Beauty Bel Air lip oil. The metal matte look on the lips is coming back this year, so I thought I would give it a go. Now we're going to spray with the Slay All Day setting spray. And freaking dreamsicle. Yum, 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 yum. And we are going to take the Benefit pencil, the highbrow, and I'm going to go up here, and I didn't do the inner corner or the brow bone. I'm doing it backwards today. And I'm going to show you what I did on the lid. I added one more shimmer just to kind of lighten it up a little bit. Just to put some, you know, it was a little dark. I went in with Pearl. This is also a multi-chrome, and all I did was put my finger in it like that. And I just tapped. That's how I got the lighter lid color. I just kind of tapped it a little bit everywhere. I'm gonna go in with this Jacqueline Extra for the inner corner. And we'll spray it with some e.l.f. makeup mist. I got that song stuck in my head. You'll be the cash, I'll be the rubber band. Gosh, I feel better having makeup on. Okay. Guys, that is the end of this tutorial. Let me know what you thought about the look I created with the BlendBunny Cosmetics Lure and Trove palette. I do have a discount code that will save you 10% if you want to get anything from BlendBunny Cosmetics. It is the best brand out there for eyeshadow formula. And they also have brushes, they have mugs, they have pop sockets, but I definitely would just go buy me an eyeshadow palette, guys, because it is the bomb. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty from a mature woman from the South, then please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Stay blessed.